Workers in the transport sector continue to play an important role amid the COVID-19 pandemic. They ensure that ships and planes can unload their cargo and buses continue to run punctually. Transport Minister Khaw Boon Wan said this at a virtual breakfast session with representatives from the sector earlier this evening. About 25 people took part in the half-hour session, including bus captains and foreign workers. Also present, National Transport Workers Union Executive Secretary Melvin Yong and singer Taufik Batisa. The workers shared what they do with Mr. Khaw during the session. He said they keep the transport sector running smoothly amid the COVID-19 pandemic.
Changi Airport may be empty, but actually cargo planes are still very busy. Likewise, the Port of Singapore, from my office, I could see the ships calling at the Pasir Panjang terminal. They bring in very important cargoes for Singaporeans. Buses and trains within Singapore, land transport buses and trains are still running punctually.